reason why we need to fit limit switches is to limit the travel of this RAM, one for the minimum and one to control the maximum. So I've found a home for the switches. What I've done is I've made a drilling template, and then it was a case of putting that onto this lug on the outside, so locating it onto that. I've now got the holes transferred to the outside, so by squaring it up a little bit, I use that to drill through to get the holes in the right place. So I've got an M2 by 16 and I'm going to thread that into the left hand hole. Place the switches on that stud. This one, number 2. Okay, and we've got enough room to put a M2 nut on. We've got the limit switches all bolted in their position, so it's now ready for the arm. I've got the cam ring ready to slip over, so that has got to locate into there, so that is its timing mark, if you like. So push that over, line it up so that that slot engages into there, and that's pretty much all the way home. This is not the finished one. The finished one is in black. I've actually got a center hole punched through, and that is for later on. It's nothing to do with the limit switches, but I will be fitting a potentiometer on the outside here later on. You can put this arm back in and push that down. Okay, so if I just hold it as square as I can, we can see the switches on the back. So as the arm lifts up, the right hand switch comes up, makes contact, and it continues all the way up until it reaches its upper limit and the left hand switch is activated. So that is its stopping point, just where that's clicking. And on the way down, it actually clicks in at the same time as it's hitting down there. So the next thing that we've got to do is to start wiring. So what I plan to do on the outside is to sit the motor in its housing and run the wiring up this channel. So there's a channel there that the wires will sit into and come up this way and reach the switches there. So I'll take these switches out, solder the motor wires and the diodes. I'm going to be using 1N4148 diodes, and this is for direction.